Hello, going over reviewing inserting picture and text, make sure that's aligned right. Starting with just a blank page. It doesn't matter if you already got content or not, it's going to be the same way. First, click Add Media, then either pick a picture from your library or upload a new one. After you click on one, over here on the right there will be size. I'd start with large and then shrink down. Making pictures smaller usually looks pretty good, but making picture look bigger from what's original doesn't always make it look out very good. So we'll start with large, then insert into page. And now if it's too big, click on the picture. You get these white boxes around the edge. You can click and drag them to resize them. Afterwards, click after the image, and you'll see this little flashing cursor here. That means you can start typing. And if you don't like the words to be on the very low right side, click on the picture and choose Align Left. Now it's going to move the picture to the left side, moving the words up and to the right. If you want it to be the opposite way, Align Right, words over to the right. Now if you want to keep adding more, you can just make more spaces until you get below. And if you want to add in another one, now you can have left and right. That's how you can kind of format that. Now if we wanted this to be linked to other site, highlight what you want the visitors to click on. There's this button for insert link. Clicking on that, URL, type in http:// wherever you want them to go, .com. Click add link. Now it's blue underlined. This means that they'll be able to click on it. You won't be able to see a finger to click on it because you're just editing. If you were actually to publish it and then go to the site, that would work, but not when you're in the editing mode. If the picture you've chosen is just still too big and you don't want to resize it with this, you can use this edit pencil and change size to thumbnail. And over here it kind of gives you an estimate of how big that is. Except for full size and large, because those are too large to fit in the little preview. But then just hit update, and now it's a smaller one. You see how when I've made it start out small and expand large, now it's not as detailed, image is a little fuzzy. That's why it's better to start with a large version and shrink down to a small one than it is to start with a small one and increase it to large. We also talked about changing the menu. I'm going to trash this so it doesn't save because you don't need it. You'll find that under Appearance, Menus. So here you have all the links we made. If you want to get rid of them or slightly change them, click the triangle over to the side, and you can remove it or change the name. This one you can change where it goes to. If you choose custom links, it'll let you say send them to wherever they want, and link name is whatever appears on the menu. If you want to link to just a page that you've already made in here using pages, it'll be right here. And click add to menu. Once you're done, save menu. And that's, I think, all that we needed to go over. If you have any other questions, please let me know.